Okay, let's move on to speaking part two. Describe a time you made a decision to wait for something. Please.
Well, I am a very impatient person and I want everything to be done very quickly as we are accustomed by technological advancement and everything is just a click away. So I want everything to be done quickly. So I would like to add here one of the difficult times when I have to wait for something, and that was my mobile phone when I broke my mobile. And this mobile was very close to my heart. It was gifted to me from my mother on my 10th birthday. So it was very precious to me, but there was not another way to recover or repair that mobile. So I searched the internet for a new version of mobile. So I found that the new mobile is being launched on next month. So I told my parents that I want to buy that mobile, as that mobile was very expensive. So my parents said that we will buy that mobile to you after 2 months. So I have to wait for 2 months for that mobile. So the time was very difficult for me, and as because of COVID-19 the classes were shifted online, so I have to wait for my classes as well. And different I have social media. I am also social media influencer, so it was very difficult for me to.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, the first thing is there are few irregularities in your language. Like you said, gifted from my mother. It should have been gifted by my mother.
Okay.
Then you're mixing sometimes present and past. And in the past tense, if you want to talk about future, instead of will, you should use would. My father said that he would buy me this mobile, like that. Okay. And pronunciation, of course, it's not the word precious, it's precious. Precious. Okay. So focus all these things, it will be fine. Now we have speaking part 3. Why do some people like a slow paced life?
I think it depends on the personality of person. Some people have a very slow and relaxed personality. They are very relaxed minded, so they like the life as it goes. They follow the life as it is. So I think so that is the reason they like a relaxed
Okay, so you
life.
should speak with authority. Till the end, you should be confident. So that is why people love to have slow-paced life. They don't want,
Okay,
what do you say, fast life. Okay, something
sir.
like that. So till the end, try to complete your answer. Okay, not
Okay, sir.
leave it incomplete or anything like
Okay,
that.
sir.
Okay, thank you.